Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear nanay. Happy birthday to you.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Ano? Kandila.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Wala pa. Hindi pa pala. Isa pa pala.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Oo, ayun.
Ano?
Yan bang candle na yan, pag iniipan mo, lalong ano, lalong sumisindi. Ewan ko. Sa Pilipinas, meron kanila, te.
Masarap.
Yeah, masarap.
Come on, Ethan!
Come on, go close to your...
Raymond, come here, me, come here.
Come here, Dylan.
Come here, come here, Luna, come here.
Come here. Open here.
Bibi! Come here, Luna, please. Bibi, come here, Luna. Okay, this one, no?
Okay. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear nanay. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
Oh, it's her birthday.
Oh, blue na, blue na. Nanay, blue nanay. Yay!
What'd you win?
What did you wish?
Secret.
My wish is thank you. Dagat.
Oh, as kainan na.
To the Philippines.
Is that it?
Yeah, we got the cake na, guys. Oh.
Let me know.
What guys would you like?
Let me know what time you eat the cake.
Oh, it's time to eat.
Just keep on going like this.
Okay. Love chocolate.
Uy, 68 na.
68 na si nanay. Kulang na lang yan, 69 na.
Oh, magandang numbers yun. Wala. Maganda.
Pirated yung akin.
Tapos kukuha din ako ng kay
Tayo,
nanay.
yan ako. Kinakain
Hello.
na.
Ay!
Gusto ko ba yan?
Normal lang yun, Nay, kasi tumatanda tayo.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, it's over there. You want to sit over there? Yeah. With Papa?
Ako, maliit lang.
Ha? Ano ba sa'yo? Chocolate or ano?
Chocolate tsaka yung babe, pero maliit lang.
The water is
Yeah, I
over
know.
there.
What you want? Chocolate? Sit down, Kimi.
Messenger mo.
Uy, ang daming bulaklak ni nanay.
Kay Jan.
Tapos ka na, Bes? Akin na yung ano mo, Bes.
Ganda
Ano
ng
mo?
bulaklak.
Nakuha ako. Ito. Oo.
Tapos ka na ba?
Kasi nasa ano na ako, 65 ako.
Sinali 68.
Ang mukha ka hindi 65, talo pa itong
64 and a half.
Tingnan
Sabi nila, ay hindi ka naman mukhang 65.
hindi nga pala.
Hinihila mo ka na para
Hindi,
Parang
sabi
macho.
ko na ganyan tayo mukha na pag 60s.
No, kasi yung
Sabi ko,
may salon
ako.
siya. No, isa
Ang ganda
sa
naman,
binabayaran ko
Bes.
Parang
Kasi
siya
marami siyang utang.
Ganda ng damit mo. Mga bagay sa'yo, Bes.
Yan, nagtatato. nag-ano.
Ang Bes, de magpa-argument, magpaano ka na rin. Magpaano ka ang...
Si Mama. Yeah.
Ayaw ko.
Tapos yung
Ha? Anak ko, oh. Ethan. Ay, nak. Hi, Mark.
Rara.
I didn't see you. How are you?
I need to...
Here the birthday celebrant. Oh. Hello, nanay.
Thank you.
Hi, YouTuber guys.
Ay, ito naman ang anak.
Hello sa mga
Ang
YouTube
Onika Iha here in US. Onika Iha. At ito yung ano, the husband. Mark.
Yeah.
You will be in a YouTube.
Si Mark.
YouTube.
He's not Facebook. He's a YouTube vlogger.
Yeah, too many food, oh. Yeah.
Ano the brother?
Ay, ito. Hindi ko nga kilala ito.
Too late now.
Ole, the brother.
Ah, yeah, that's the brother. Si Johnny. And of course, Tatay. Ayan, hello Philippines. Tatay is here. Ayan si Ray Ray. Hi Ray Ray.
Going school na.
Hindi nyo pa naman kinantahan si nanay, di ba?
Hindi pa, mamaya pa.
Oh.
Mamaya pa.
Kumain pa, Mari, kumain ka muna. May
Okay lang ako. Ang dami niya. Marami pala kayong harap. Buti man, hindi ako nadala eh. Kumakain pa rin ako, no?
Paminsan.
Oo, kumakain pa rin ako.
more
minsan.
on green leafy na.
Oo. Collard greens, broccoli, basta mga ano. Iwas-iwas na ako ng... No, that's right. Yeah.
Grass.
I will become a goat.
Grass like
I got plenty of them out there. They need to be
vegetable.
cut.
Vegetable like a grass.
Naman, ayan, si JJ.
Yeah, my kidney was
Ito yung husband. How are you? I forgot that you're JJ husband.
it was bad enough to take it out.
Oh, this the grandchild of JJ. Hi, pretty. Hi, JJ. Si Thor. Say hi to my YouTube. Chris, none of those food that it will fit for your tummy.
It's all great.
No, no. Huh?
Well, it's all great.
I know, it's all delicious. Why don't you?
Because I'm good.
Me too. What you have, Ray Ray? Oh, look at this. Cute, cute.
Go for the parakeets.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Last week na nakuha niya boss.
Huh? Oh.
Night niya yung ano.
Hi guys, how are you? Oh,
One of them got barbecue sauce on it. I only got.
sino?
Yeah, you have to go to school.